Hey folks, what we got here is the Mitchell Pro MP012016 half-inch to half-inch ratcheting head. It's an attachment for the breaker bar for you to make your breaker bar ratchet. It locks. Then it rotates, turn it that way, it rotates the other way. You can take your half-inch breaker bar, put it on it, turn it the other way, or you can lock it. Now it's all part of the breaker bar. Stays on pretty good, no doubt about that. If it's a 22 millimeter wrench for close quarters, I think this is an awesome tool for your car box. If you're like me, you don't carry a bunch of ratchets, you only carry one. I don't even carry a ratchet. It's actually a ratchet and breaker bar from Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh. But this thing was like 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll post the link to it down in the description. If you purchase it, I do get a couple dollars from Amazon. But this is the coolest little item. I've been doing a lot, checking up on the Mitchell Pros, on some of their tools, and that's when this came to me. And it's just an awesome little tool. You can use this on your mowers to start it, if your pull string is going. Your tractor probably, your tractors, your battery's dead, and you got, a nut on your spin. And when you use this tool here, it engages it to spin it, but once it spins, the ratcheting part works. So yeah, this little tool has a lot of good purposes, and I will be doing more videos on this tool to show you what all it can do, instead of it just being a ratcheting head. That gets you in pretty tight. Nice little offset. And then you got this. So it turns any breaker bar into a ratchet. I think that is the coolest little thing. Like I said, it's half-inch. They do have it in 3/8. Maybe someday I'll get the 3/8, but the majority was just a half-inch. Later, folks.